Welcome to our Money Basics series. Today, let's explore deflation, a fascinating economic phenomenon that occurs when prices fall across the economy. Unlike inflation, where everything gets more expensive, deflation is the opposite scenario. Understanding deflation is crucial for making smart financial decisions, whether you're saving money, investing, or planning your future. By the end of this video, you'll understand what deflation really means, what causes it, and how it can impact both the broader economy and your personal finances. Deflation is defined as a sustained decrease in the general price level of goods and services throughout an economy. Think of it as the opposite of inflation. When deflation happens, the same amount of money can buy more things than it could before. For example, if a loaf of bread costs $5 today, during deflation it might cost $4.50 next month. This means your purchasing power increases, your money becomes more valuable over time. To better understand deflation, let's compare it with inflation. During deflation, prices decrease, money gains value, and your purchasing power increases. You can buy more with the same amount of money. On the other hand, during inflation, prices increase, money loses value, and your purchasing power decreases. The same amount of money buys you less than it did before. These are two opposite economic forces that significantly impact how much your money is worth. Deflation typically occurs due to two main factors. First, decreased demand happens when consumers and businesses reduce their spending. This could be due to economic uncertainty, job losses, or people simply choosing to save money instead of spending it. Second, increased supply occurs when technological improvements make production more efficient and cheaper. When companies can produce more goods at lower costs, they often pass these savings to consumers through lower prices. There are two other important causes of deflation. Tight monetary policy occurs when central banks reduce the money supply or increase interest rates significantly. This makes borrowing more expensive and reduces the amount of money circulating in the economy. High debt levels also contribute to deflation. When consumers and businesses are heavily in debt, they focus on paying down what they owe rather than spending money on new purchases, which reduces overall demand in the economy. Deflation has mixed effects on the economy. On the positive side, lower costs can benefit consumers and businesses by increasing their real purchasing power. People can afford more goods and services with the same income. However, deflation also poses significant economic risks. It can lead to reduced business investment since companies expect lower profits in the future. This often results in job losses and can push an entire economy into recession as spending continues to decline. For individuals, deflation creates both opportunities and challenges. The major benefit is stronger purchasing power. Your savings and income can buy more goods and services over time. This is particularly advantageous if you have cash savings. However, deflation also brings employment risks. As businesses face declining revenues, they may cut costs by reducing their workforce or freezing hiring. This means job security can decrease, making steady income less certain during deflationary periods. Deflation is a complex economic phenomenon that brings both opportunities and risks. While it can increase your purchasing power and make goods more affordable, it can also lead to economic instability and employment challenges. Understanding deflation helps you make informed financial decisions and prepare for different economic scenarios. Whether deflation is good or bad often depends on your specific situation, your employment stability, debt levels, and savings. The key is staying informed and adapting your financial strategy accordingly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.